Welcome to the C2 English vocabulary lesson. Delve into these multifaceted terms and elevate your discourse. Ready? Let's go! Suck. Suck refers to the action of drawing something into the mouth by contracting the muscles of the lips, cheeks, and tongue. It is commonly associated with the act of sucking liquid through a straw or a baby sucking milk from a bottle. Sucking his thumb, the child unknowingly risked future dental strife. Sucking his thumb, the child unknowingly risked future dental strife. Their unruly clamor sucked the sunset's tranquility away. Their unruly clamor sucked the sunset's tranquility away. Embarrass. Embarrass means to cause someone to feel self-conscious, awkward, or ashamed. It often occurs when someone is exposed to an uncomfortable or humiliating situation. Ostentatious verbosity embarrassed him among friends. Ostentatious verbosity embarrassed him among friends. The host's gaffe unsettled guests, causing collective embarrassment. The host's gaffe unsettled guests, causing collective embarrassment. Crush. Crush refers to a strong but temporary romantic attraction towards someone. It can also mean to press or squeeze something with force, causing it to break, deform, or lose its original shape. Unyielding determination enabled her to crush all impediments. Unyielding determination enabled her to crush all impediments. Infatuated, he found himself with an irrefutable crush on the enigmatic woman, her charm impossible to resist. Infatuated, he found himself with an irrefutable crush on the enigmatic woman, her charm impossible to resist. Spit. Spit refers to the act of forcibly ejecting saliva or other substances from one's mouth. It can also refer to a thin, pointed rod on which meat is skewered and roasted. The sommelier swirled and spat, expertly analyzing the wine's subtleties. The sommelier swirled and spat, expertly analyzing the wine's subtleties. The performer, spitting fire, incited both awe and fear in spectators. The performer, spitting fire, incited both awe and fear in spectators. Snap. Snap refers to the act of breaking something suddenly or making a sharp, cracking sound. It can also describe a quick, impulsive decision or action. The photographer's deft snap immortalized a fleeting moment. The photographer's deft snap immortalized a fleeting moment. The overburdened twig emitted a telling snap, yielding to force. The overburdened twig emitted a telling snap, yielding to force. In order to practice what you just learned, you will be asked 5 questions. Each question will be displayed for 10 seconds before the answer is revealed. Good luck! The correct answer is B. Spit means to eject saliva forcibly from the mouth. The answer is suck. The vacuum cleaner seemed to suck up every speck of dirt. Snap indicates to break suddenly. Embarrass describes to cause someone to feel self-conscious. Crush can describe to defeat or humiliate someone completely. Suck can be used to describe to draw in by producing a partial vacuum. The correct answer is true. The sound of the twig snapping underfoot alerted the animals to her presence is formulated correctly. The answer is crushed. He crushed his anger and frustration, refusing to let it show. Well done! You've reached the end of the quiz. Did you manage to answer all the questions accurately? If you found this lesson useful, please show your support to our channel so we can continue to produce more fun, fast English content. Don't stop now! Watch other videos from the C2 English playlist.